On number 2, I'm solving the same system of equations, but I'm using a different method. I'm using the elimination, or what's sometimes called the addition method. So this method, I'm going to actually add up the equations vertically. So it's very different from the substitution method. And if you do this, you're going to get 4x. The y's are going to cancel out, and you're left with 8 on the other side. So a variable won't always cancel out nicely like this. Sometimes you're going to need to multiply one or both of the equations by a number so that the coefficients of one of the variables match, so that they do cancel out. So you want them to match, but you want to have one of them be positive, one of them be negative. Okay, so then I want to divide both sides by 4 now, and x is equal to 2. So now that I have x, I want to plug this back into either of my original equations. And I'll plug it into the top one. And then solve. And we get y is equal to 1. So my final answer is going to be 2, 1. And this does match what I got before.